Namaste everyone. Welcome to Learning Nepali. It's me Ruthmeri Shrestha. Today, let's learn some common and useful grammars in this lesson. And the topics that we will be studying in these lessons are bunny with ka words and jaw words, forming adjectives with e, pani, lagnu and hunu for different weather. So we will be learning these grammars today in our lessons. So let's go to our lesson. Pani with ka words and jaw words. What does it mean? First, let's know ka words. Words such as केही, कोही, कसैले, कसैलाई, कसको, कसैको, कही, कसैगरी, कहिले, कति, कुनै. And jaw words means the words such as जे, जो, जसले, जसलाई, जसको, जहाँ, जसरी, जहिले, jati, जुनै. Now let's see pani with ka and jaw words. Pani with ka words, these are used with negative verb and they give negative meaning. For example, kehi pani. Kehi pani. It means nothing. Kohi pani. Kohi pani, which means no one. Kasaile pani. Kasaile pani, which also means no one. Kasailai pani. Kasailai pani, which means to no one. Kasaiko pani. Kasaiko pani, which means no one's. Kahi pani. Kahi pani, which means nowhere. Kasai gari pani. Kasai gare pani, which means in no way. Kahile pani. Kahile pani, never. Kati pani. Kati pani, which gives the meaning not at all. Kunai pani. Kunai pani, which gives the meaning nothing. Now, pani with J words. These are used with positive verb and yes, it gives the positive meanings. For example, je pani, which means whatever or anything. Jo pani, which gives the meaning whoever or anyone. Jasle pani, which also gives meaning whoever or anyone. Jaslai pani, which gives the meaning whomever or to anyone. Jasko pani, which gives the meaning of whoever's or anyone's. Jaha pani, which gives the meaning wherever or anywhere. Jasari pani, which gives the meaning however. Jahile pani, which gives the meaning whenever or always. Jati pani, which gives the meaning however much. Junai pani, which gives the meaning whatever or anything. Next is forming adjectives with e. One way to make adjectives from a noun is to suffix e. For example, purva, the word purva, when we add e, it becomes purvi, which means eastern. Similarly, pachim, when we add e, it becomes pachimi, which means western. Uttar plus E, it becomes Uttari. Uttari, which means northern. Nepal plus E, Nepali. Nepali, which means Nepalese. Dakshin plus E, Dakshini. Dakshini, which means southern. Pahad plus E, Pahadi. Pahadi, which means mountainous. Himal plus E, Himali. Himali, which means Himalayan. Bidesh plus E, Bidesi. Bidesi, which means foreigner. Now, Parnu, Lagnu and Hunu with different weather. Things that are liquid or solid collocate with Parnu. Things that are gas or ethereal collocate with Lagnu. Things that are conditions or states collocate with Hunu. For example, Pornu, which means to fall or occur. Pornu we use as Pani Pornu. Pani Pornu, which means to rain. Next is Asina. We say Asina Pornu. Asina Pornu, which means hailstone fall. Sit Pornu. Sit Pornu, which means frost fall. Tusaro Pornu. Tusaro Pornu, which is also similar to frost fall. Next is Hiu Pornu. Hiu Pornu, which means snow fall. Lagnu. Lagnu, which means to fill or to start. And the Lagnu is used as Kam Lagnu. Kam Lagnu, which means sun rises. Badal Lagnu. Badal Lagnu, which means clouds gather. Hussu Lagnu. Hussu Lagnu, which means fog appears. Kuhiro Lagnu. Kuhiro Lagnu, which means mist or fog appears. Tualo Lagnu. Tualo Lagnu, which means haze appears. Next is Hunu. Hunu, which means it become. We use Hunu such as Garmi Hunu. Garmi Hunu, which means it become hot. Or Jado Hunu. Jado Hunu, which means it became cold. Or Sukha Hunu. Sukha Hunu, which means it became dry. Hilo Hunu. Hilo Hunu, which means it became muddy. Cholnu. Cholnu, which means to blow. For example, we say Hawa Cholnu. Hawa Cholnu, which means wind blows. Huri Cholnu. Huri Cholnu, which means storm blows. Batas Cholnu. Batas Cholnu, which means wind or storm blows. So this was the end of our today's lesson, and this was some common and useful grammar that will help you to understand more Nepali sentences and letters. I hope you find this video helpful, and please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Nepali classes. So see you in our next video. Dhanyabad.